Hi there, it's Izzy with tip number 4 of National Tire Safety Week, which is a proper tire repair should always be performed off the wheel. Tech has developed a 6-step process which you can easily remember by the word repair. That's right, R-E-P-A-I-R. Here's what each letter stands for. R, remove the tire from the wheel and do a thorough inspection of the tire. E, evaluate the injury. P, prepare the injury. A, apply the vulcanizing fluid. I, install the repair. And R, return the tire to service. You probably didn't realize that proper tire repair was such a thorough process, but this process, when done correctly, is critical to successful tire repair. Tech, the global tire and wheel authority, pioneered this proper tire repair process. We have manufactured and sold the highest quality tire repair and wheel service products for over 80 years. Tech's tire repair products have repaired over 1 billion tires. Tire Safety Week reminds us of just how important tires are for a safe and comfortable driving experience, whether on a big rig, your personal SUV, even your motorcycle. Thanks for watching my videos this week. See you again soon, and keep an eye on your tires. So long.